Yo, what's going on, guys? So today alright man, then we're going chicken shop to grab some munch. I don't know why we're all feeling some chicken shop, but fuck it, we are. So we're gonna go there, grab munch. I can't lie, even though I just had a coffee, I'm a bit tired. The heat is getting to me a little. I can't lie. He's gonna wheelie. Come on, I need to stretch. Oh, those knee knockers. I did hamstrings the other day as well, bro. My legs are finished. Welcome to London, everyone, where if you don't own a bike, you're fucked. Bro, destination time, bro. 3 hours to go 1 mile. Yo, I need to stretch my quad. Oh my days, I'm stiff. Oh, he's blowing. He's blowing. Fuck my quad. Yeah. Ah, my hamstrings, bro. This is lethal. The fuck is that? I don't know what's going on there. He didn't care. He doesn't care. Bro, it's too risky. That was a gap. He's behind me. What? He went for that gap too.
Why the fuck fuel is not coming out?
I don't know how he doesn't ride with mirrors, you know. Like, I have to see what's behind me.
You see that bike that was next to us?
Yeah.
That's a Fed.
Where?
It had the antenna on its back box.
Bro, you can't even go out and enjoy a little ride anymore, man. Like, they're just ruining the fun. For what reason?
I don't have any connection with this guy. I don't know this guy.
I know this guy. His name is da. He lives over here. Yeah, man. Reckless safe. Just reckless here, there, then cool off. It doesn't. I mean, this guy's crazy, innit? But me, when I'm riding, I do a little pull here and there, and then I'm chilling. I don't do anything too crazy, to be honest. Fuck! This guy loves it. Huh? Yeah. Alright, man, then. Now we are going to Chicken Hub. Into a fucking car! This is what I mean, bro. Undies. He wants to get me bagged. Imagine I did it right there, bro. Would have got into a chase. See what I'm saying? I'll put you on some sauce. A good way to tell if it's an undie or not. You see how people got those things dangling down in them on their rear view mirror in their cars? This guy right here has that thing dangling down in his mirror. That means it's not an undie, because having that thing on your rear view mirror, it's actually illegal. So undies are not gonna have that. And a lot of people have that thing dangling down. So it's a good way to tell if it's an undie or not. But yeah, if any of you are car drivers, if you want to help us out, bro, just put something on your rear view mirror and help a brother out, you know what I mean? There's a mad protest going on. I agree with this, you know. We need cash back. Oh brother, here we go. Yep. What is this guy doing, bro? Bro, every time I hear sirens, I get PTSD blood. Fuck it. Bro! What the fuck? Man, I almost rear-ended you.
You was about to go?
Yeah, I saw you go, so I looked back to see if there's any police, and then all of a sudden I looked to you and I fucking... Fuck me.
This is the shell.
Alright man, then we're heading to a shell
Focus.
to film some content for my Insta car. My Insta's looking a bit dead right now, can't lie. Fam, it is hot today. Oh, we're gonna be stuck here for a while, man. Where's the protest? I'm trying to read a sign, but it's all in Arabic. Well, you wanna go that way? Left! See, this is the perks of having a bike as well. Can't lie, it's a bit tiring though.
What's this sticker about?
To hide my speed, bro.
Your videos.
Yeah.
How do you know how fast to go, bro?
I don't. It's taking a nap.
Focus.
Bikshed.
Focus.
Alright man, then we got more people and we're heading to bikshed now, bro. Don't really want to go bikshed, but fuck it. Two-wheeler and Aladdin swap bike, so my man Aladdin's a bit excited right now. I'm feeling this ride, bro. I'm feeling it, I can't lie. I just want to cut like crazy right now, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm feeling it. I know guys, it's probably dark right now and I'm not speaking a lot, I'm just enjoying the ride, you know what I mean? I need to take this indie off at some point. What a fucking idiot.
You can't write me off.
Look at this bike, guys, bro. What are we taking, though? I'm not even gonna say it. I already know what you guys are taking, bro. My ego doesn't need to be hurt. Is she gonna move? Oh, she's not a nice person, bro. Yo, that bike pulls so quick, bro. I don't know why they stopped making the Z1000. Such a nice bike, bro. The front looks so mean. No, I'm not feeling the Z900, bro. Even the Z800 looks better than the Z900. What's it saying?
This. Oh, bro. I mean, look, bro, that bang was loud.
Bro, shooting flames, bro.
Yeah, I know. I want one.
I want one.
I want one.
I want one, bro.
I want one.
Bro, go check him out on Insta, bro. Two-wheeler. I'm gonna die in these Cuban links. Yeah. Yo, we got to bikshed quick. I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. We got here in like 10 minutes. I would say let me show you some of the bikes in here, and it's dark. Give me a second, but bro, there ain't really any bikes to show. It seems like everybody here today is not riding a bike. I'm gonna see you guys when we head out of here. Alright man, then we added another biker, AA rider himself, and we are going, I don't know where we're going actually. Just going for a night ride. It is night right now, so we'll see what the ride's saying. I am in my Hooligan era, I can't lie. Bro, I've got an iridium visor and I can't see. I just clocked. Fuck me, bro. What we saying, man? Them? How's the video been? Man's a bit tired right now, but bro, I'm feeling the ride. I need some music. I need some music.
You taped it. That's a good idea.
I have to. Bro, everybody's just feeling in the vibe today. Our drivers in a happy mood while they sit in traffic, bro. That's crazy. You know what's mad? This is the exact same petrol station that happened, bro.
No way!
Yeah, bro.
No!
Fuck the show right there, bro.
Fuck it!
I'll race you to the speed camera.
I'll just end up wheeling it, bro.
Huh?
I'll just end up wheeling it.
Fuck it.
I'll power wheel if you want.
In first.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Can I do it?
I think we're driving a little bit too crazy for... Someone's got a pillion, bro. Why is this guy just stopped here, bro? All 7, bro. I might be in the chase. Hold up, give me a sec. What you say, my bro?
I said they get nicked super easy. I've had 4 R6s nicked.
Yeah, I know, bro. I know. You just gotta get like 50 locks and a tracker, bro.
Huh?
You have to get 50 locks and a tracker, literally. That's the only way.
There's no space in the back of the tractor or anything.
Hmm?
By the time you finish with the power commander, there's no space in the back.
True, it's very true. Off to you, bro. Well, I actually can't do that because my tires are too grippy. So, after even wheeling. Never mind, apparently I can. Oh, my tires. Oh, they're so hot, bro. Fuck.
Hey, that's it.
Bro, Aladdin just got me doing some dumb shit all the time, bro. You got me doing dumb shit, bro? What, bro, my tire? Fuck. No ABS in it. Alright, we wasn't here long at all, but now we're leaving Bar Italia because it's a bit dry, and I guess we're going Mayfair. We saying, who's here? Who's here? Who's still here? Who's still here? Who's still vibing on the ride? Obviously I'm not speaking. Fucking hell, blood. This is a wheelie. I landed a bit dodgy there, I can't lie. What the fuck is this? Oh shit! The 125s is not playing around. Oh, what is this guy doing? I'm gonna slap your head. Alright, man, then we're bouncing from this spot. Yeah, man, then we are tired. Everyone's cutting yard. So yeah, I'm gonna end up the video here. And I want to thank everybody watching and staying to the end, of course. I appreciate everyone commenting, liking the video, sharing it, doing all of that, supporting the movement, you know what I mean? Because there's not really anyone from London motovlogging. Do you get me? Like, there's no one doing this, bro. So man's trying to pump out the content for you guys, you know what I mean? Especially people that are on the 125s, bro. Like, I know you guys are interested, and one day you're going to be riding out like this as well with the bigger bikes. So yeah, man. Again, I want to thank everyone for watching, supporting the thing, and I'll see you guys later.